All right, so let's see how this shows in the video. Here is the panel I did, and there's the beams that are undone. So this is all put on there, stapled, goes down in the back, goes, come on, it's hard to do this upside down and backwards. There we go, that's overlap there, staples all down along here, and I'm gonna go bay by bay by bay, filling this up, and not even a gnat will be able to sneak in here. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so we did, that covers 2 joists.
3.
No, just 2. That covers 2 joists, and each time I put one up, it's going to overlap that one. And we have to duplicate this a bunch of times. And then same thing on the other side over there. Eek. And there's some over here too, but there's a lot more space on the other side of this beam.